Good morning, student. I am Mrs. Seema Sonone from Gokhale Education Society English Medium School, Pimpalgaon, Baswant. Today, we are going to learn lesson number 25, Changes in Our Surrounding. Now, student, look at these pictures. One picture shows day while another picture shows night. We can see things around us clearly during the day. Why can't we see them clearly at night? During the day, we get sunlight. That is why we can see the things around us clearly. It grows dark after sunset. There is not enough light. We see the stars in the sky at night, but we don't see the things around us clearly. Day and night affects living beings. Can you tell how does the shadow lie? After sunrise in the morning, in which direction does the shadow lie? It is long or short? How does the shadow change when the sun is directly overhead? How does the shadow look in the evening before the sun? In the morning, the sun rises in the east. Before the sun rises, we can see various shades of colors in the sky to the east. When the sun rises, its light is soft. The shadow falls on the west and they are long. The sun gradually begins moving higher in the sky. Shadows become shorter. When the sun is directly overhead, shadows are very short. And children, when the sun slowly begins shifting to the west, the shadows begin moving to the east and become longer. After the sunset, various shades of colors are seen in the sky to the west. At other times, the sky is blue. Student, look at this picture. Yes, this is the picture of sunset. Student, you know people specially go to see the sunset at scenic places. Mahabaleshwar in Satara district is a famous hill station. A spot in Mahabaleshwar is very well known for its view of the sunset. Tourists visiting Mahabaleshwar make it a point to visit to the sunset point in the evening to experience the spectacular sunset. Now next is from dawn to night time. Dawn means early morning. Pahat. We know student, birds are the first to sense the end of the night. Their chirping begins from early dawn. If there is a rooster nearby, you can hear it crow. The birds leave their nest. They start flying in flocks. Flocks म्हणजे पक्ष्यांचा थवा and begin to search for food. Birds to begin to blossom gradually. Their petals start unfolding. The flowers had sweet nectar. Bees comes to collect it. Butterflies, beetles and other insects start hovering around the flower. Now student, the people around us set themselves to work too. We also get ready to go to school. Now student, look at this picture. The cow herds take cows and buffaloes out to graze. Once their stomachs are full, they sit in a quiet place and ruminate. What is meant by ruminate? Rumination means some animals graze until their stomachs are full. Later, they bring back the solid food into their mouth again, a little at a time, and chew it. Then they swallow the chew food a second time. This is called rumination or chewing cud. Rumination helps them to digest their food properly. Cows and buffalo are animals that ruminate. Okay, student. Then in the evening, the cattle return to their sheds. Flocks of birds return to their nests. We return home from school. But some nocturnal animals set out to search for food after the sunset. Nocturnal means some animals sleep during the day. They search for food at night. Such animals are called nocturnal animals. Moths, crickets, and glowworms are some such animals. Tigers, bats, and owls are also nocturnal animals. Ratrani, queen of the night, and Rajnigandha means tuberose are flowers that bloom at night. Now student, our next topic is phases of the moon. The moon rises at different times every night. If you search for the moon at a fixed time every evening, you will see it in different places. The shape of the moon also changes every day. The day the moon looks completely round is called the day of the full moon. For 15 days after that, it appears to become smaller and smaller. On the 15th day, it cannot be seen at all. That is called the day of the new moon. After the day of the new moon, the moon appears to grow bigger and bigger for 15 days and is completely round again on the day of the next full moon. The different shapes of the moon that we can see every day are called the phases of the moon. Thank you student. Have a nice day.